Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application, then tap to network and internet, click to internet section, and to activate Wi-Fi click once on the switcher. After that you will see here all of the available networks. Just tap to the network and enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click here to the show password checkbox. So after that just tap to OK, wait a second. And now we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use the switcher by the same way. Just click on it and now Wi-Fi is turned off. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel and find here internet icon. Click on the icon to activate the internet. To activate Wi-Fi, click on the switcher. After that, you'll see here the networks. To see all of them, click to see all and you'll launch the full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.